Valve just dropped a bombshell on the gaming world, and it's the Steam machine that could shake the foundations of both console and PC gaming. Hey GadInsiders, welcome to your go-to tech and gaming place. After the quiet rollout of the Steam Deck OLED in 2023, fans weren't expecting Valve to shake up the hardware scene again, and here we are. The Steam machine is a mini powerhouse that offers 4K 60 frames per second gaming in a tiny frame that's already earning the nickname of Gamecube. It's tiny, but built for serious PC gaming. But why would PC gamers care? First, couch gaming just got a massive upgrade. No more awkward HDMI cables cluttering your living room. This sleek little system is built for TV play, making PC gaming from the couch the new norm. Second, console players finally have an easy gateway into PC territory. With soldered CPU and GPU plus, simple SSD and RAM upgrades, the Steam machine removes the fear of complex builds, and SteamOS makes sharing games with family and friends so easy. Third, developers could be in for a reality check. One standardized configuration means games will need to be optimized for the Steam machine or risk a backlash. Better PC ports for low and mid-range systems can finally become standard. Finally, Valve may spark a mini PC revolution. If the Steam machine is a hit, then other manufacturers like MSI or Lenovo will jump in with a better SteamOS compatible consoles, giving gamers more choices without the headache of building from scratch. Steam machine is affordable, compact, and built for modern games. It can redefine PC gaming in 2026 and make Sony, Microsoft, and even old-school PCs sweat. For more updates, like this video, comment what you think about this, and subscribe to GadInsider. Don't forget to click the bell icon so you never miss any tech update.